Hi, I'm Rolandus, production manager at Ekstremale. As production manager, my task is to keep the entire process running smoothly. I plan the jobs, balance workloads between machines, and make sure operators have what they need. If a problem arises, a tool breaks, a tolerance is off, or a material behaves differently than expected, I need to find the fastest solution. In production, every lost minute counts. My role is also about supporting the team. Some operators have years of experience, others are just starting out. I help them with decisions, share knowledge, and make sure the flow of information is clear. I've worked at the machines myself as an operator and programmer for almost a decade. That experience helps me today. I know the challenges on the shop floor, I know what can go wrong, and I can offer practical solutions. At our company, we are not making rough, low-precision parts. Our work is precise mechanics. It is about accuracy, surface quality, and reliability. In other words, our work is the kind of work where precision matters as much as it does for a jeweler.